Hey there, art enthusiasts. Today, I'm taking on a creative journey with my Sharpie markers to bring Picachu to life on paper. Artist palette high voltage. I'd love your support and encouragement, so if you enjoy this Picachu artwork, please don't forget to hit that like button. Your likes and positive vibes truly fuel my artistic spirit. Stay tuned for more art adventures, and thanks for being a part of this creative community. Thanks for your continuous support. I'm excited to show you more art in the next video. Until then, stay creative and keep drawing. Artist palette writing hand. See you in the next video. Smiling face with smiling eyes, waving hand.